top 5 programming languages shaping the future.
Discover the 5 programming languages that experts believe will lead the way in the coming decade. Whether you're just starting out or planning your next skill upgrade, understanding these languages can help position your tech career for long-term success.
Python, versatility and ease of use.
Python remains a favorite for its readable syntax and vast ecosystem, widely used in web development, data science, automation, and artificial intelligence. Python's popularity continues to grow. It's especially recommended for beginners and professionals aiming to explore emerging fields like machine learning and data analysis.
JavaScript, powering the web and beyond.
JavaScript is essential for building interactive websites and web applications. With technologies like Node.js, it's now used for server-side development too. As web and mobile experiences evolve, JavaScript's flexibility and active community ensure its relevance, making it a must-learn for aspiring full-stack developers.
Go, modern solutions for scalability.
Go, also known as Golang, was created by Google to build fast, reliable software at scale. Its simplicity and performance make it popular for cloud computing, microservices, and back-end systems. Companies needing efficient, high-concurrency solutions increasingly adopt Go, making it a future-focused choice.
Rust, safety and performance combined.
Rust stands out for its focus on safety and speed. It's used in systems programming, embedded development, and even WebAssembly. Backed by industry leaders and a passionate community, Rust is viewed as a language poised to solve security and performance challenges across technology sectors.
TypeScript, enhancing JavaScript for the future.
TypeScript builds on JavaScript by adding static typing, improving reliability and maintainability of large codebases. It's widely adopted in modern web development frameworks and enterprise applications. Learning TypeScript opens doors to advanced front-end and back-end roles as development teams prioritize robust, scalable code.
Choosing the right language for your path.
Each of these languages offers unique advantages and career opportunities. Consider your interests, whether web, data, or systems development, when choosing which to learn next. Keeping up with industry trends ensures you build skills that stay in demand as technology continues to evolve.